Well, good Friday evening, everyone. It's Friday. That means it's time for a little weather extra to look at our long-range weather forecast. I'm not going to go too deep for today, but notice that we had a little crispness in the air earlier, last week, and then this evening. It wasn't too bad. Sun setting earlier, so it's time to start to think about a shift in the seasons. Now, we're going to be in a warm weather pattern for a while. Don't fret if you like the warm weather pattern. Now, there is an area of high pressure just up to our north. This is for Saturday, our GFS for Saturday. That's going to give us a good deal of sunshine and dry enough ground. It's going to warm up. You see temperatures are really a good bit above average in the northeastern United States and temperatures below average in the central United States. And that cool air is really not in a rush to come our way. In fact, as we go ahead and put it forward in time, the high on Sunday evening, here's Sunday evening, there's the high. There is one tropical system out there. There's 99L, which the models were really making into a big deal earlier in the week, but really disorganized right now. We'll keep an eye on it. There's a lot of question marks. A lot of times outside of strong tropical systems, we get what I call the zone of nisus. Look there. Not much going on. If this gets organized, it's going to pump up the ridge over us and allow us to have actually more tranquil weather. But with the high, let me draw the high back on here. The high shifting off to the east, we get a return flow of warm, humid air. Slight chance for a shower by end of Sunday, but it's another very warm day. Look at this. Temperature's a good bit above average. The warmth rebuilding in the middle of the nation. Wow, look at that cool air, well below average in Western Canada. Again, not in a rush to come our way anytime in the near future. Now, I'm jumping to Tuesday evening. There's what is going to be a Hurricane Gaston. There is 99L, just kind of messing around there on the GFS. There is a cold front right back about here. Sorry for the color. I'm drawing in red, but, cold front. And this cold front is going to be sinking down to the south and west, but really being held up by this tropical system. So what that'll do is leave us with a chance for a shower or thunderstorm on into Wednesday on the GFS. And then by Friday, it moves through. Still disorganized. That system gets picked up by the trough, starts to move off to the east. So the tropical moisture is not coming our way. Kind of a pity. We need the rainfall. But with that system moving on out, cold front moves through on the GFS. There's the front right there. New area of high pressure moves in and gives us some refreshing weather toward the end of the week, especially in more so for New England than us. And the GFS shows a cool shot in New England. And this is for Friday afternoon while still keeping temperatures near to slightly above average. So GFS taking the system and really not that impressive with it. Let's go ahead now and jump to the European. Here's Saturday. There's the highs on there for you. High pressure, a good deal of sunshine. Warm afternoon temperature Saturday, a good bit above average. A lot of cool air in the middle of the nation. Sunday, still warmth in the east, very warm, and the humidity starts to return. This is Tuesday. There's 99L, a little stronger, but still nothing too organized here. Cold front a little bit slower on the European, way back here. So this is so the tropical system a little more organized, slows up the cold front a little bit more. Ahead of it, we're warm on Tuesday. Look at this. Temperatures well above average. If you like summer-like weather, it's going to be here. Kids, I'm sorry. If you go to a non-air-conditioned school, it's going to be a tough week. Now, the front does move through. The system gets stronger on the European and hooks up with the front and moves on through. There's the front now by Friday, pushes it well down. And I wanted to show you, if that system is more organized, when it finally recurves out, it pulls the trough in behind it, and look at that nice, refreshing air. So, both models hint a little cool-off later next week. The European more so because it's going to take 99L, make it a little stronger before pulling it on out. I know I wouldn't mind a little refresher for the end of the week. So that's what we're going to be keeping an eye on for the next 7 days. I'll talk to you next week at the same time. Hope you have a great weekend and tune in tonight on WTAJ News at 11 for more details on your forecast.